Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock POCO M7 without the password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset of our device, so we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want to verify us by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But there is a second method, and you will have a possibility to click to use my Google account instead. And you will have to sign in into the exact same Google account into which you were logged in on your POCO before you have reset it. So remember about it. You'll have to sign in into the Google account that you were using before the reset. So now, as you take a look, the phone is locked. I cannot remember the password. We can even lock the device. If you click on forget password, it says that you have to erase all data. In here you have a tutorial how you can do it. So now, let me show you. You need to power off the device. First click power key and volume up and select power off. Now, we need to hold power key and volume up at the same time until we see the POCO logo. When it appears, release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. Thanks to that, we will open up the recovery mode. So, power and volume up. Okay, and now release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. Okay, now using volume keys, select wipe data, confirm by clicking power key, again wipe all data, confirm. The process has started, it won't take long. Okay, data wiped successfully, select back to main menu, confirm. And now select reboot, also confirm, reboot the system, and now you just need to wait until your phone turns on, and then you'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.